If you want to work on being a better person, better yourself, and getting a job, I guarantee you should go to PRP. It will truly help you out.
PRP is a service that meets you where you are, whether you're struggling with depression or just need some advice or just someone to hang out with.
You know, what I would do as a DSW is work on whatever goals that you're trying to achieve, whatever that may be.
When you sign up for PRP services with WIN Team, you will receive your very own PRP worker who will meet with you several times a month to support you with your goals and encourage you along the way.
I want to make sure that when you start out with the program, you have certain situations, but by the time you leave our program, you have reached whatever those things are. I mean, some kids want to get their permit, some kids want to do cooking classes, some kids want to go out and fill out job applications. If you need your resume done, I can help you with that.
My name is Jamar. You might not know who I am, but I was in your shoes before. And a little bit about myself now is, by day I work with youths in foster care. By evening, I'm a full-time grad student at Morgan State University. And by night, I work at a homeless shelter for clients with HIV and substance abuse. And I've been in your shoes. But you see where I'm at now, and I have a great future ahead of me. You have a great future ahead of you too as well.
First, we like to make you feel like you're a part of our WIN family. And WIN, which stands for what I need, what you need. You know, we are faith-based programs, so we like to stick to biblical principles.
We have Dream program.
You guys run that program, whether it be through art, whether it be through dance, whatever your gifts or your talents are, we want you to bring them.
You rap, if you want to model, if you want to start your own bike class, we give you that opportunity.
You've heard firsthand. Don't hesitate, stop second guessing yourself, and give us a call.
I guarantee you that the PRP is for you.
So be a part of the program.
Jello Beats, holla at me.